Hello, here at MyBedFrames, we manufacture all of our divans and mattresses, selling them directly to the public at a wholesale price. Today, I'd like to show you our Victoria 1000 model. This medium feel 10-inch deep mattress has 1000 of our unique curvation individual pocket springs. Working independently from each other, they offer a contoured support as well as eliminating any roll together. These give an excellent spinal support as well as allowing for hips and shoulders to gently sink into the mattress. We then strengthen the mattress border with our unique firm edge support. This in turn increases the sleeping area of the mattress and makes for a firmer mattress side. Layers of hypoallergenic fillings are then placed onto the springs, giving an airy, sumptuous mattress surface to sleep on. Next is our exclusive Extreme Cool mattress fabric. This offers perfect temperature regulation, helping to reduce overheating for a comfortably cooler night's sleep. The breathable surface ensures a fresh and hygienic night's sleep and is anti-bedbug resistant. Mattress borders are stitched to give strength to the edge of the mattress and are fitted with flag-stitched rotating handles and air vents, keeping the mattress interior clean and fresh.